We got Nick over here back on the Fixed Gear Freestyle. Let us know what you're riding today, dog.
Alright, dog. We're still on the Specialized P-Fix 2014 one, if I remember correctly, on the frame. Same with the forks, still P-Fix forks. We're running the Vans Colt tires, 26-inch. We got the Sunringo MTX 33s laced to a P-Series hub. We got some Primo front hub guards, if I remember correctly. Come on over here to the seat. We got the Colt feather seat, pivotal, with the Colt's pivotal stem, or seat post, I mean. We're running the DMR platform pedals, plastic. Why not strap still? Same ones I've had since I first rode fixed gear 8 years ago, 10 years ago, something like that. They're painted black, you can't tell, but then we got the Resist Revolt cranks on there, 165. Running a 25 tooth Demolition, it's Monatu or Monike or some shit like that. Fucking sprocket. Same thing on the back, plastic Primo pegs, Primo hub guards, P-Series hub, running 2510. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, actually, stock headset, P-Series bar stem. We got spike bars. Don't remember if they were called something else, but they're spike bars. And then we got fin grips. Yeah, that's pretty much the bike. Let's see. Well, I rode track bikes for 2-3 years, and I was still doing like jumps and stair sits like any dumb kid would, and break the rims and stuff and tackle them. And then I got the State Fixed Gear Freestyle bike, which was like kind of the closest thing I had to a legit one, which broke that thing pretty quick too. So once I got this one, I moved to the Bay Area and rode a little bit, and then stopped for like 6 years. So altogether, Fixed Gear Freestyle specifically, probably about 5 years, something like that. And then just got back on it again this past July. Back at it again. Being back home in SoCal, to be honest. Wanted to pick up where I left off. Gotta keep it coming. I'm not the greatest person, but I can do some shit. I jump stairs. I like to jump shit a lot, obviously. A lot of my clips and videos are all bunny hops, but we'll get the 180s there soon, and the bar spins. They'll come. They'll come. Video will drop soon too. Shit, really just all the guys at SMC, at FOAD, Master Bike Co, all those guys, man, like, they're out here still doing it, keeping the sport alive. You know, there's not a lot of people out here in San Diego that I'm aware of that ride it, so. Want to be able to be a part of the community and be known in the community and give back to the community that I love. It's definitely the goal, man. Fixed gear fucking definitely is my my getaway from work, you know, all that good stuff. Hobby. It's my passion, man. That's what I do.
Fuck yeah.
Get some clips in right now, see what we can throw around with this thing.